Hello everyone, here is another video on how to convert your PDF files to Word documents. So what you are going to do is to come to this website, which is iLovePDF.com. You come to this website, in your search bar you just type I love PDF, you press enter, then it will bring out this interface. So this is your home page where you have to scroll down. We have a lot of tools here. I'm going to walk you through that later. So we have PDF to Word, and then we have Word to PDF. So what you are going to do, if you want to convert from PDF to Word, you quickly click on the PDF to Word link over here. So when you click on it, it will bring you to this interface which says select PDF file. So you click on select PDF file, and then it will bring you to your file explorer where you are going to choose the PDF file that you want to convert to Word. So let's assume that I want to convert this PDF file here, or maybe I want to go to a different PDF file at a different location on my PC. Here I have docs, maybe this particular PDF file, I want to convert it to Word. I'll just double click on it, and then it will be selected. So when it comes into the I Love PDF website, you see a button on your right here which says convert to Word. You quickly click on that, and then quickly your PDF file is converted to Word. So what you have to do next is just to click on download Word, and then your PDF file will be converted to Word and downloaded to your PC. So I'm going to click on it to open. As you can see, it is opening in Microsoft Word. So this PDF document has been quickly converted to Microsoft Word over here. And you can see it is editable. You can click anywhere and you can edit it. But before then, after downloading, you see that we have enable editing here. You have to click on enable editing before you can edit it. So quickly you have to do that before, if you want to edit it like this, then you edit it. So this is quick and this is very easy. So let's assume that we want to do the opposite. So let me click this to close it. Let's assume that we want to convert from Word to PDF. Rather, this same document that we've downloaded is in Word, so we want to convert it to PDF. You come back to this website, you click on the logo here, or the I Love PDF logo on your left top left corner like this, so that it will bring you back to their home page. And then you select, this time around, Word to PDF. You click on Word to PDF, you select Word files, and then it opens your file explorer for you. So that file that I've downloaded is at the downloads. I'll click on downloads this way, and you can see today I have downloaded this file, the one I just converted a few minutes ago. Then I'll just double click on it, it will be loaded, and then I'm going to click convert to PDF, and then it will be converted back to PDF. So when it is done with the conversion, I just have to click on download PDF, and then my PDF will be downloaded, as you can see from the top right corner here, and then my PDF will be downloaded. After downloading, I can just click on it to open. Now the file is back in PDF format. Thank you for watching, and this is very quick, very educative, and then it's very nice and very easy to do. So what you are going to do next is to like my video and then try to subscribe, so that anytime I post a new video like this, you'll be the first person to see it. If you have any question, you can post it in the comments so that I'll come there and then reply to your messages. Thank you for watching.